Good morning, traders. Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Tuesday, November 17th. It's approximately 4:45 or 4:45 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia traded mainly up with the exception of the Shanghai Exchange, which traded down fractionally. It's only a couple of points off of its break even. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the upside, with most of the exchanges trading into positive triple-digit territory. Now, we were to take a look at the market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is now trading up. Up until a little while ago was trading to the downside. That has since changed and is now trading higher. Financials in terms of the bonds is also trading higher. Indices in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. Metals, however, is trading lower. Now, we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets. We do actually quite a bit. We have CPI, core CPI out at 8:30 a.m. These are, of course, major and market movers. At 9:15, we have capacity utilization and industrial production. These are not necessarily considered to be major. At 10 a.m., we have mortgage delinquencies, not necessarily considered to be major. However, also at 10 a.m., we have naval housing market index. This is considered to be major and is a proven market mover. And lastly, although it really won't have any effect on the trading session today, at 4 p.m., we have the long-term purchases. Again, because it's out at 4 p.m., it's not necessarily considered to be major. All in all, our bias is neutral. And we're maintaining a neutral bias very simply because everything that we're looking at is pretty much pointing up. Currencies is trading higher. Energies in terms of crude is now trading higher. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. In theory, when we look at this, in theory, the indices themselves should be pointing down. But once again, that's not happening right now. But what is happening is the indices themselves are pointing to a higher open. And when everything that we look at is pointing higher or pointing lower, basically we have no correlation, and hence we have no market direction. Therefore, the neutral bias, if you will, because it tells us that the markets can't really make up their minds. We think that a lot of what's going to happen today is really going to be predicated upon economic news. Hence, the best course of action would be to wait till all the economic news comes out, judge market direction accordingly, and then decide in terms of direction, etc. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.